Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I am back with the LW-PX350 and I'm going to show you how to save and recall a label. There are a lot of different reasons that you may want to save and recall a label. Maybe it's a sequence you want to continue, maybe there's a format that you like and you want to save, or maybe it's just a label that you print all the time and you don't want to keep recreating it. Whatever the reason, it's super easy to save and then recall those labels. So I already have the information typed in that I want to save. So all I have to do is hit the File button. Okay, now being File is in blue, I'm going to hit the Shift key. So I'm going to press and hold Shift and then hit the File key. Now there's three options here. I can store, recall, or delete the files. So you can kind of manage all of them from here. But what I'm going to do is use my arrow to go up to Store and hit Return. Now you're going to see four options. There's files 1 through 4, so you can save up to 4 labels on this unit in the standalone, okay? So you can go ahead and we can't name the files, but you can choose which file number you want to put it in. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then when I'm ready, I'm just going to hit Return. Okay, now it's going to ask me kind of a confirmation, show me, yes, you want to store it in number 2, and file, and shows a little preview of what the label looks like. Yep. That's what I want to do, so I can go ahead and just hit Return again, and now it's going to bring me back to my label. Okay, so really easy. I'm done. I can print and move on if I need to. I just saved my label, so I want to show you now how to recall it. So what you do, same thing, is we're just going to hit the File button. And again, it's in blue, so I'm going to hit Shift and File, and now I'm going to use the arrow to go to Recall. Okay, so I'm going to hit Return on Recall, and I can scroll through the different saved labels. So I actually have 3 different saved labels in here. So I can use the up-down arrows to go through and look at them. I can select the one I want, and when I'm on it, I'm just going to hit Return. It's going to give me a little preview of that label and just make sure that I want that one. So again, I'll hit Return again, and it's going to go ahead and pull it up to my printer. So now if I needed to make changes to that label, I could, or I can go ahead and just hit Print and be good to go. That was how you save and recall a label with the LW-PX350. If you have questions on this printer or any others in the lineup, please feel free to reach out. We would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.